สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome back to Nan's Kitchen. Today I am making pineapple fried rice and you can see the list of the ingredient here. First thing first, let's cut the pineapple. So we are going to use half of the pineapple here. I'm checking the bottom of the pineapple here if it can stand or not. If not, you're welcome to cut the bottom a little bit out so it can stay flat. And I find that it's best to use paring knife here. It's easy for you to go under around it. Just remember, don't cut too deep so you don't end up with a hole on the bottom. I'm going to save the core and also the rest of the pineapple meat and also juice that I can use them for smoothie or something like that. We have banana tree in the backyard, so I am going to use it as plate decoration. Usually when we make fried rice, we use the leftover rice from the night before that was in the refrigerator, or if you have to make a new one, you can put a little bit of less water so it's kind of like al dente. I like to add a little bit of the pineapple juice that came from the pineapple that we just cut to give it a little bit more taste and also a little bit more moist. Let's see how's the taste. Oh, I realized that I forgot how to put soy sauce. For the plating, I like to make sure that I um, spread out all the ingredient evenly. Fried rice is one of a very staple dish in Thailand. There's so many different kind of fried rice that you can find. But I'm sure that we can all agree that this one particular dish is definitely very elegant here. And of course, it's very delicious. If you have never tried warm pineapple, I recommend try with this one and tell me what you think. Lastly, I save a little bit of cashew nut and also scallion to put on the top. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.